welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we have a review on this beautiful wig that I have installed. Let's jump into all the details about this unit. Today's hair sponsor is MegaLook Hair. They sent me this 22-inch 4x4 glueless closure wig. This wig is in the body wave texture. The baby hairs completely. For that style with the little swoop in the opposite direction, I would have preferred for it to be on a frontal wig. So that's what I'll do next time. Okay, so parting. What are we gonna do? I'm just gonna do middle part. I don't know what I was trying to do today with the baby hairs. I was just trying to have some fun, you know, try something new. I bleached the knots on this wig off camera before I installed it, and I let it air dry and naturally. I used the curling one, and I also used this curling iron. In the end, I did go in and just cut some long side bangs, some layered bangs right there, and I'm really liking it. I love how it's flowing. I don't know the density on this unit, but I'm gonna tell you she's very full. It's very thick. I'm sure that this is the standard density that you guys would get if you decided to order this wig. Let's show you guys the back. So I curled her, like I said, on my head, so it might not be perfect. But yeah, there's lots of sway, there's lots of bounce. As I run my hands through it, it's just like effortless. When you comb it and you comb through it and it just falls back into place beautifully like this, you know that it's some good hair. I'm really loving it. And guys, I did clean up the part, as you guys can see. I used my Tarte palette that I like using. It has like some really light colors in there, and I go for like the lightest ones. I mix them, and that creates that really clean part that looks like you're wearing a ball cap. Let me know you guys' thoughts on this unit. I really like it. I would definitely recommend you guys checking MegaLook hair. Every time I've gotten a wig from them to try, they've always been like super thick and like really nice soft hair, so I really like it, and you guys should check it out. If you have any questions or you want to just leave a comment, give me a compliment, say something nice, I really do appreciate it. You can leave that in the comment section below. Subscribe so you don't miss out on any future uploads that I do. I'll catch you in another video real soon. Bye for now.